Hello? Nathan? How you doing, man? Nathan from the Wide Open Throttle YouTube channel? You want me to come down for the Danger Ranger 9000? This weekend? And be part of your pit crew? Alright, I'm leaving right now! Well, I made it. Yes, guys, I have made it to my hotel room for the night. It was about a 6-hour drive from the Atlanta area down to Gainesville, Florida. That's where I am right now. So I'm ready for bed here after a day of work, 6 hours in the car. I'm ready. It's about 11 p.m. or so right now. And tomorrow, we're gonna finish up the drive 2.5 hours to the Freedom Factory for the practice day. And I'm excited. I wanna see what this thing is all about. But for now, I'm going to go to bed. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, guys. I'm up. I'm ready to finish off the drive this morning to the Freedom Factory. And we're gonna go check out the Danger Ranger 9000, second year this is going on. I'm gonna be a part of the pit crew. Do you believe that? I don't. Oh my God, there's a goddamn armadillo over there. I mean, I live in Georgia, but I see them kind of dead on the side of the road, but I never see one alive. There's one that just walked right past. Let me see if I can see it. We're in a deep south now here, boys. Back her up. Let's see, where did he go? Oh. He's gone. I swear to God. A real life armadillo. Yep. I think we're here, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Freedom Factory. Look at that. The helmet. That's freaking awesome.
Continue for half a mile.
All right, guys, Nathan's about to hit the track for a practice run. Let's see how he does. Say that went pretty good. So how did it go?
It went extremely well.
Went well?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
It looked good from the outside.
Yeah.
Looking in.
It's feeling very promising that I might win this one.
Nice. All right. Well, we'll cross our fingers it stays that way.
They're crossed.
Nathan was rocking it out there. He got some attention, that's for sure.
Well done.
You got some attention, man.
Sure did. I'm a celebrity.
A celebrity. It's a celebrity now. Look at that. So guys, I figured I'd have Nathan go through a few of like the specs that these trucks are running here, kind of the guidelines a little bit, and show you the truck because I don't think you guys have seen any of that. So Nathan,
hello.
This is your Ranger.
Yes, this is a 94 Ford Ranger Splash. It's got the beautiful step side bed.
Absolutely.
We're running the 3-liter V6. There's a lot of different Ranger engine options. This is what we ended up with. We really wanted a V6. We also wanted two-wheel drive, short box, single cab.
Sure.
You know, all like the basic. And this, we ended up with a 3-liter. A lot of people said we weren't going to be fast with a 3-liter. We proved that wrong.
Because I think you were like one of the fastest laps here today so far, right?
Yes. In the last race, I had the fastest lap of the whole race with a 19.6. And so far today, I've already done a 19.2. So nobody's even come close.
I think that's a pretty good deal so far. So
We have pretty good odds for tomorrow.
hopefully so. Let's not jinx it. Crossing my fingers. But
Good odds. I'm not saying I'm going to win. I'm going to try.
Right, good odds. But as far as like engine configuration, I know there's some different trucks here. They're all running some different setups and whatever. But
Pretty much.
I thought they'd be close to the same power level. But you're saying that some of them are kind of set up differently. Is that
Pretty
right?
much. It has to be stock engine, stock transmission. But there's
Okay.
so many different Rangers over the years that
I see.
it's kind of up in the air.
Anything goes
Yeah.
kind of thing. Okay, got it. And then I guess too, so last year you guys did this same event, right?
Yep.
And I know I was talking with you earlier, and you said there wasn't a whole lot that changed from last year to this year, but
Not much.
besides, I guess, just practice and anything else.
Not much has changed. We got a new exhaust. When we took the engine out over the winter, when we had grand plans for this truck, we were going to scrap the engine. So the exhaust went in the bin. So I had to put a new exhaust on it. But I think that helped our performance. The catalytic converters from 1994 are probably a little clogged up.
Yeah.
So
Opened
these
it up a
fresh
bit.
cats are
Fresh cats,
breathing
nice.
nicely. And then the other thing we changed was our steering wheel.
Oh yeah.
Last year we had a really smooth steering wheel and I couldn't grip it. So now we got this nice circle track rubber steering wheel. I can actually hold on to it for the whole race.
There you go.
Yeah, and I got a cool shirt this year to stay cool in the truck.
That thing is awesome.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like it makes a huge difference,
Yep.
to be honest. So.
Other than that, exact same as last year. Same tires, same everything. We didn't even
Everyone's on the same size wheel tire,
No, you
or
can
no?
run whatever you want.
Really? Okay.
The rule this year is that they have to be DOT tires.
Okay.
You're not allowed to run circle track slicks and things like that.
Got it. Okay.
Ours are basically slicks, but the Hoosiers are DOT approved somehow.
Okay.
I mean,
Hey.
it's got the stamp, so
Got
we
the
can run
stamp.
it.
Send it.
Yep.
Very cool. Well, cool. So that's just a quick little rundown on the car thus far here and what they've done last year to this year. But I think practice is kind of wrapping up here today. So we're going to pack this thing up, and I guess tomorrow is race day. We'll see what
Yeah.
happens. So cool.
It's gonna be a good day.
All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow. After running the qualifier, Nathan put down an impressive lap time, securing him a spot in the A main. Just after qualifying ended, Florida did what it does best, and it started raining. Thankfully, the B main guys and girls raced first and dried up the track a bit. But before long, it was race time, and it got intense. Spinned out right in front of him. He locked up the brakes, it looked like. Avoided it like a champ. Sent it. He's good to go. That's some good driving, Nathan, when you watch his back. He's making his way back up. Oh yeah, and this is when Chet took out Nathan's door. We thought Nathan's truck was done in that very instance, but luckily, all it was some exterior body damage, nothing vital was hit, and Nathan was able to finish the race. Hey! Woo! Killed it, man.
Thank you.
Holy crap.
You know
That
what
was
this
some
means?
freaking driving.
You know what this means, doesn't it? Don't you?
What?
We're coming back in November
Oh my.
for the mullets.
Woo!
Oh,
Dude, you did such a good job, man. Oh my God.
We're coming back.
GoPro can't see anything right now.
I get to race the VIX.
Yes. Jeez. That was crazy, but I know you can't even see me right now, so I'm just talking into a black screen, but you did a good job. It's over. Third place. And now, guys, I'm back at home editing this video now. It was a ton of fun, and thank you to the Wide Open Throttle team for having me out and assisting you guys, just chilling with you guys and rooting you on through that entire race. It was super fun to watch. So if you guys are not subscribed to that Wide Open Throttle YouTube channel, what are you guys doing? Go over to the channel and hit subscribe. I promise it'll be worthwhile going back for more. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you here, a part of the Daily Driven crew. So guys, I appreciate it. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button as well. That always helps us out. And of course, we'll see you in the next video. You guys have a great night. Bye.